Alright, I found some screws. These, I probably reuse those, but I use a flathead. But these screws are fine thread. I had some that small, but they were coarse, so they wouldn't fit. But I found these right here. They fit perfect. I got tons of these screws from old RCs and stuff. But yeah, we'll install this back plate on here. I think I'm gonna go ahead and put some of this a little bit on the threads on the back plate too. You know, I don't mind if the screws loosen up, but I cannot stand a screw to be froze where you can't get it off, especially on a high-end engine like that. That'd be crazy if if a screw got stuck in there and couldn't get it out. That's for damn sure. It ain't gonna happen. I'd rather have a screw come loose. Ain't gonna happen. But anyway, I'm not putting no sealer or nothing on that. I don't need no sealer. The O-ring's fine. So let's get started. Notch right there with a piston, I guess for the piston to clear. So that in there. It all looks clean. I put a little machine oil in there, so real smooth. So man, it's got some compression, man. I can't even turn that by hand. First time I checked it was able to check the compression because of the loose flywheel. I see now it's got killer compression. So get her going. Back plates on there. Rubber wheel this stuff on here. Don't take much. That's why there's a big old tube still left. Don't take much. Put this cream on, anti-seize cream on the threads. possess them to get a dang great Dane. They're so dang loud. Yes, they thought it was cool. Oh, you magnetic crap. There we go. I used these little tiny screws.
The best tools I have for paying bills and building my credit is the Johnson Simple. It has a unique application process with no credit usage.
Just put a little snug them and put a little quarter turn on them. There we go. Nice, nice, nice. Nice, 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 nice. I got the carburetor on, but it's not cinched down. One thing, when I got the Truggy, this was kind of too far, kind of maybe put the linkage in the bind, so I want to get this in and see if I can adjust this to where it is pointing right for the linkage. So So that's where I'm at right there. Ton of compression. I also use some little bit of machine oil to lube it. Yeah, I can't spin that by hand, but you can tell the compression. That's for sure. But hell of compression. But there she is. Gonna be sweet. Sweet, 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 sweet. Yeah, that's what it's gonna look like. So, anxious to get that thing running. I don't know how this 21's gonna push this truggy, but quite sure it'll push it pretty good. I know the Hyper 21s, the Opna Hyper 21s push that buggy pretty good. That Hyper 21 I have pushed that monster truck pretty good. So, but I know these OS's, they got some extreme power. I know my CBR 18 has some extreme power, but we'll get at it. All right. Nice chatting with you. You guys have a good one.